You have upgraded your phone, you have upgraded your car, but what about your business? Because while your operations, customer expectations, and competition have evolved, your core system might still be stuck 5, 10, or even 15 years in the past. And if that's the case, digital transformation is necessity for your business. Hey, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of Matrix Bricks. Over the past 15 years, I have helped businesses across industries evolve digitally, from outdated to future ready. And today, I want to help you understand why this shift matters and where to begin. We have worked with the brands that were doing well on the surface, but underneath, they were struggling with slow systems, disconnected tools, and rising pressure to keep up. Once we helped them transform digitally, operations got smoother, decisions got smarter, and growth, it just came naturally. Let's start with obvious question. What is digital transformation really? It's not about throwing money at software. It's about reshaping how your business works by using technology more intelligently. That means improving processes, connecting systems, unlocking data, and delivering better experiences internally and externally. Think of it as turning a complicated, slow machine into a smart, self-optimizing engine. Why it's no longer optional? Let's go through some real signals that show a business needs digital transformation. You have got tools, but they don't talk to each other. You are using a CRM, an accounting system, a project tracker, and a bunch of spreadsheets, but none of them sync. That's not digital, that's digital chaos. Your team is always busy, but progress feels slow. Long email chains, repeated work, missed deadlines. It's often not about hard work, it's about inefficient systems. Your customers expect more, but your setup can't keep up. Today's customer expects real-time updates, personalized interactions, and zero friction. If your processes are clunky, your customer will feel it and they won't wait around. Decisions are based on instinct, not insight. You have got a data, but can't make sense of it. True transformation gives you clarity. You know what's working, what's not, and what to do next. Now here is where it gets tricky. Many businesses think they are transforming digitally when they are really just digitizing. Let's clear that up. Myth number 1. We moved everything to the cloud, we are transformed. Reality? The cloud is tool, not a strategy. If processes are still broken, putting them online doesn't fix them. It just digitizes the problem. Myth number 2. We build a mobile app for our customers. Reality? Great, but if your internal systems are still manual and slow, the experience will break down behind the scenes. Myth number 3. We have always done it this way and it works. Reality? Until it doesn't, market demand shift, competitors adapt. The danger is not a change, it is in a standing still. So where do you begin? Let's keep it simple. Here is a framework we use with our clients. Step number 1. Start with clarity. What's holding you back? What's frustrated your team? Where are the delays or disconnects? Step number 2. Set a vision, not just a goals. Instead of we want to go dig digital, ask what should our customer experience feel like? What should our team be able to do faster, smarter, or better? Step number 3. Build systems, not silos. The magic happens when tools, teams, and data all work together. That's where automation, integration, and AI come into play, but only when built on the right foundation. So tell me, what's one part of your business that feels outdated or just unnecessarily difficult? Drop it in the comment. Thanks for watching. If this gave you some clarity, hit like, subscribe, and stick around. We have got more insight on digital strategy coming your way. See you in my next video.